Okay, so let's make a start then. I'm using 3mm cardboard as usual, an easy material to work with, nice and sturdy. So I've marked out the original size of the bridge. It's a 2-arched bridge, and the arch would have been something like that. So you can see the 2 arches as was, and then just cut out where the bombed or broken part of the bridge is. So we need 2 of each. So we've got 2 of those and 2 of those. So that will be like that. And then you must determine how wide you want the bridge to be. Well, I think 3 inches in my case is quite enough. So I've cut a very thin piece of card, 3 inches wide, and that will sit within that arch like that. I should sort of like use a hot melt glue gun, but kind of tack weld it, if you like, all the way around there, and then that will be the same the other side. So that will give it some kind of permanent form, and then the same for the other part of the bridge. So it'll be like that, because there's only just a little bit of it. So it'll be like that. That will be the other end of the broken bridge. And then these supports will go along the top of the arch on the inside, so that when they go together, I've done that the wrong side. When they go together like that, then I can lay the road in between. It's got the supports there to take the road that is going over the bridge. It could be a straight flat road like that, or you could make it a bowed bridge, a humpback bridge, as it would be, but I think it will be easier to keep it straight. Try to keep things as simple as possible. Okay, so I'll put the actual 2 pieces of bridge together, okay, and then we'll go from there. Okay, there we go. I've glued everything all up together. Put my arch in. Once you've got the shape this side and the other side in, that gives obviously the shape of the arch itself, but it doesn't give the shape on the ends. So you have to put these spaces in between to straighten up the edge. Otherwise it just bends out like that. So with those in place, then it makes the arch a perfect shape. And that's the broken arch, that end, and that's the other half of the arch there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put a lot of pillars in. So there'll be pillars. There'll be a pillar there and a pillar there, just to make it look a bit more architectural, architecturally more interesting. There, found the word. I know it was in there somewhere. So there, that will be like that, and then there'll be some on the far wall like that as well. So when I've done that, then I'll put the bricks or stones. I will lay some grey grout onto the surface with some PVA glue mixed in to make sure it sticks, and I'll prepare the whole area then for me to carve the stones into the bridge side. Okay, I'll show you the actual diorama base that it's going on. So with that at the back there, because whatever distance that is, that arch, then obviously this one would have been the same. So that distance to that distance will be the whole distance or whole width of the diorama base. Are you with me? So with these two right on the end, then that will give the right distance between the arches. Okay, and then there will be two bits on the side, just level with the road, and these bits front and back, just to cover the 3/4 polystyrene that I made the base with. But that's a little in the future. The next stage will be to mark out the stones, and because this may be quite a lengthy video, and my average watch time for my videos is about 4 minutes. So there I am making 25-minute videos, and you lot are only watching for 4 minutes. So what I'm going to do is end this video for now, and then in 1 or 2 days time, maybe only 1 day, then I will continue with the next stage, if that's okay with you. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel, all that, click the like button, and I will be back in a day, and we will continue with part 2 of this very exciting venture.